This is Dina Okba. I'm an artist, I'm a miniaturist, and I do the art of recycle. If this is your first time to see me and see my channel, and you like what I'm doing, please subscribe to my channel and share my videos. Hit the notification bell on all so you can see all my videos. Also, I need your help by doing a lot of comments on my videos, because if you do a lot of comments, there will be a lot of activity on my channel, and this will help me a lot. And if you want me to do something else, please let me know, and I need your support. It's very important for me. That's what keeps me going, and thanks in advance. Let's go and see what I'm going to do today. Okay, Bismillah Rahman Rahim, guys. Let's start. What we're going to do now, we are going to form the plastic to make some small plates, transparent plates. I have these tools, and it's very basic forming stuff. Then I will do like this. I'll decide where the edge is, then I will cut it and trim it, and I have a very nice plastic solid plastic plate like glass, because it's a very hard to kind of plastic here. All right, okay, so now I will just make the cup of the indomie. I have a cup. I take a hard paper. I just do it like this, and I will make some prints from the internet. I put PVA glue here. I will stick the stickers. It's curvy, you know. Yeah, I'll keep it to dry. Then I want to protect it by putting some kind of sellotape. You see, transparent sellotape, so it won't move. Okay, now I will try to remove the extra, and I will form a cup. Now this cup is really becoming hard after I put the sellotape on top of it. Now for the cover, I print also a cover, and this is a carton. I will. No, sorry, this is not the cover. This is the down one. Yes, I put it here. Now this is for the cover, as I told you. One side I will put transparent stickers, and the other side I will put gold silver one, you know, because I will make the cup open, so we have to see the other side, and most of the time the other side is like silver style color. Okay, cut it very nice. Then I will do like this to make it curvy. Great. With simple glue, I'll stick it like half open. Now the other style of indomie, the packets, I will do like this, and I'll cut them. I have a plastic bag, white plastic bag. I will glue them. I want to form a small bucket. With this style, I'll try to let the plastic stick together by heating, and this way, other way as well. I'm trying to use here very simple ways, so no excuse for you guys. Then I will glue this one side and the other side, and I will put here some foam, hard foam, because I want to make it like it's full. Great, I push, and I will glue the same style. I'll keep it for some time. Okay, now let's go and do the main thing, which is the indomie. I have here porcelain dough, ceramic dough. I will try to roll it like this, very, very thin, as much as I can. And with a needle, I'll try to roll them like this. Okay, and I let them dry, so they will dry like this. Now I know that the porcelain dough will shrink after it dries, so I am making the size here small, and I know that it's going to be even smaller. So put this in consideration, please. Okay, this is another one. Okay, let's make another one, even thinner, and I roll. Now in your spare time, do a couple of them, and so you can use them. See, I have done here. Now they dry a little bit, so you see the size is becoming small, shrinks a little bit. Now I have to use here resin A and B, same equal quantities, because I want to stick these noodles together. So I have a little bit here. I put them in this plate, the plastic plate. Then I put a little bit of that raisin. First, I will just put it slightly brown because I wanted to show that it is like it has herbs or it has soy sauce or that thing. I have here pre-made vegetables. I do them and I just decorate the indomie with it. These are capsicum and some pieces of meat. You can put anything you want. And here egg, boiled egg. And I finished decorating the place from every side, the plate from every side with the raisin. So that's one. I'll keep it. Now let's do another design, the same style. Another, I put here a little bit in the cup that I have done it previously, and I should not push till the end. Chopsticks. Here we go. Yummy, yummy. And the box. Great. Now I want to make some chicken. So I will form this with porcelain dough. I put glue on top of it, white glue, and I put it here in colored sand. Now I put the rest of the indomie I have done before inside of the plate. MashaAllah. Then I put here some onions, green onion, and I cut the chicken. Make sure that you make it like, open a little bit so we can see from inside. Okay. Here we go. Yummy, yummy again. Oops. Now, same story. Raisin, A and B. Put here a little bit brown because I want to make like soya sauce. And I put on the sides. Now the good thing is that you can be used as a fridge magnet, and the transparent plates are good because you can see from the other side. I hope you like it, and I decorate it like this. You can use it as a fridge magnet. You can use it like you to put it on a piece of a box, wooden box, empty box, like a decoration on top. This is the style. This is the kinds, and there is a soya sauce here. You can use it as earring, necklace, whatever. I hope you like the video, and please, if you like it, share it and leave a comment for me if you want me to do something else. And that's it. I will let you, talking too much, I know. I will let you enjoy the rest of the video. Bye bye. Thanks for thanks for watching. If you really like the video, please like, share, subscribe, and turn the notification bell. I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.